Hello my diecast friends, why you must buy this diorama. I'll show you. It comes with a ton of accessories. You don't have to buy them separately, no, they just come with the diorama. And it is very easy to assemble. So, you see here, put this on. And yes, you have to use some glue. We got this piece over here, it's like a puzzle. Then place together, use some glue, have to wait till it's dry, and then voila! And it also comes with this piece, and that is with a sticker. You place it right here for a 3D effect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to assemble it, and then I'm going to show you what accessories came with it. Back in a sec, guys. So here it is. It's finished now and it was very easy to assemble. Now I can show you which accessories come with it. We got this tree right here in combination with this thing. You can put the tree in there. It's very easy. It comes with this park bench. So that is very nice. Of course, it's made out of plastic, but it looks really cool. And of course, you can decide where to put everything. It doesn't come with this car. Just place it here. It's Atomica. And it comes with this to put the garbage in. And it even comes with a Coca-Cola vending machine made out of plastic. That is really cool. And of course, you can place your own accessories in this diorama. For example, a Hot Wheels vending machine. That is very cool, right? And there's even light, so if I take that paper out, the light will burn. That is very cool, right? Let's put it right here, why not? Next to the other vending machine. And let's put a dude in a chair next to it. Right there. And maybe this woman next to the car. Why not? We can even put a monster vending machine for some energy. Also with a light. And of course I can put a guy will it stand? No. Then we need some gum for his feet. And why not place a Lamborghini right here? And then you got a very awesome diorama. And of course, I will leave a link in the description of where I bought it. And it's for a reasonable price, I can tell you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye.